Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be using the BrenTuning Handheld flasher to be flashing my brand new 2020 S1000RR. I have no mods as far as engine mods on this bike so far. It's bone stock, so we're going to give it a flash today and see what the Stage 1 flash from BrenTuning can do for us. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pop off your passenger seat like so, and we're going to pull out this OBD2 connector, just tucks in right here, and we're going to connect it to our handheld flasher. So once you have that connected, you go on back to your handheld flasher. You'll see some different options, but we're doing the flash today. There's other options for checking service lights as well as resetting them, but we're just going to be working on the flash today. So you're going to hit work, writing, modified. It's already flashed with my 9193 Stage 1 tune, so I'm going to flash it for MR12. So I'm going to click OK. Connect your vehicle, yada yada, OK. Switch on the dash and push OK. Dash is on. Before starting with the writing procedure, make sure to perform the reading of the vehicle. I've already done that, so I'm going to click OK. Switch off the dashboard to continue. Done that. Gonna click OK. Please connect your vehicle to a battery charger. Yep. Gonna click OK. Switch on the dashboard and push OK. So back again. Dash is on. Click OK. And we're programming. And when it does this, you're going to get the scariest error message of your life. It's okay, it's just working on flashing the ECU. It says no communication with engine control, multiple systems affected, ride carefully to the next specialist workshop. That's fine. So this takes about 7 minutes and 45 seconds for this to write. That's what I've timed it at, the twice that I've done it. So we're gonna let this load and then we'll come back. Message has gone away. Switch off the dash. Clicking OK. Switch it back on. Clicking OK. Switch it off. Writing complete. One more thing that I've noticed is since I've written the file once, the first flash took about 7.5 minutes. However, flashing it back to the 91 or back to the M Plus or whatever it is that you want, it only takes about 30 seconds to flash it back. So that's going to be great if you need to make some quick tunes or want to test it out on the differences before and after on the dyno or something like that. You need to make a change. It's super quick to do so. So shout out to BrenTuning. I appreciate it, Chris. I'll see you guys later.